Imagine this, a 63-year-old man with zero kitchen experience boldly enrolling in the Baking and Pastry Arts program at the premier world-class culinary school, Global Academy. That man was me. But you know what the most incredible part of this journey has been? The incredible instructors at the Global Academy. These internationally awarded and respected chefs are not just skilled in the kitchen, but they're also amazing teachers. They've guided me with patience, sharing their expertise, and encouraging me to embrace the joy of baking. Their belief in me, even as a complete beginner, has been truly inspiring. They've shown me that age is just a number when it comes to learning and mastering new skills. Whether you're looking to elevate your baking skills or ready to pursue your dreams of becoming a chef, let me inspire you to take that leap. I am proof that it's never too late to learn.